Hey, I'm Jeremy from the First Grade Cafe, and today I wanted to show you how I create these addition rings. So if you're interested, keep watching. You're gonna be like totally shocked at how easy these things are to make. Or maybe you won't be shocked, but you're gonna be like, I can't believe you just made a video about this. Like, they're really easy to make. And all I did was I get these rings, these book rings I got these from Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 6. These are 2-inch size, and then I also just bought these, I think they're called perler beads or pony beads, I think is also what they're called. And I just bought these also from Dollar Tree, so both of these, I'm gonna be able to make 6 different addition rings, and they cost me $2. So that's it. What I'm gonna do first is dump my beads into this thing here. And you could spend a little bit more money and buy the ones from like Hobby Lobby or somewhere, or Walmart, but for $2, I don't think it was too bad of a deal. And then you just have the book rings. They look like this. Really easy, and then you just pop them open and you put on your beads. Oops, those are beads, perfect. So let's say I'm doing 7, I would just stick on 7 of these. You can do them in different colors, or you can do them all the same color. I'm just gonna do mine all the same color. So I think it's easier for first graders to be able to see. And if I do them in different colors, I think they get confused sometimes, but. So, and then they go and they gotta go like that. And it's nice because they do not go past this little ring part. So all you gotta do is when the kids are doing them, they can say, okay, 7, and they can put some over to one side, and then they can see that 7 is 3 and 4. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of them together. And you could buy smaller ones. We're getting ready to do 10, so I'm actually gonna do 10 on my rings. But I was just showing you it's 7. But you could use a smaller, like the 1.5, and they come in a pack of 8, so it's 8 for $1. I just made 6 different addition rings, and you can always change them out. So these ones here are made for 10 because we're getting ready to start working on different ways to make 10, but we've done 6, 7, 8, and 9, so like you can just keep adding beads. And if you want to go higher, you can also add more beads with the 2-inch ones. You definitely have enough room for that. So it's a really easy way to help your students use Manipulative and they don't lose the beads. They're not rolling all over the place. You can just easily see them. Alright, well, thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on all of my social media that's listed down below. And if you would like to buy me a coffee, there is a link all the way down at the bottom of the description. The money goes toward my classroom and helping to keep me fueled to keep this project going. So, until next time, please don't forget to always be you. Bye.